Today's questioner asks, what should you say no to before bedtime to have a more productive next day? Without more information on your specific circumstances, I'm going to answer this from a few different angles. First, before bed, say no to anything that impacts your ability to get a good night's sleep. This could be screen time, engaging in activities that wind you up, eating anything, or drinking coffee, alcohol, or sugary drinks within a few hours of bedtime. Lack of quality sleep is a surefire way to negatively impact your productivity. Next, you want to say no to anything that falls into your should category. Often things that we feel we should do are actions we're trying to take because we feel an obligation to conform to our belief of what others' expectations of us are. These aren't things that we actually want to do or that are in alignment with our own unique priorities. Every no is also a yes, and by saying no to these things, you're able to open up the opportunity to say yes to things that will help you start the next day on a better foot. But perhaps more important than what you say no to is what you say yes to. Before bed, say yes to anything that helps you calm down, unwind, and relax as you head towards sleep. This might be gentle stretching, listening to a guided meditation, or reading. I pick magazines or books that are not nail biters. Think of things that create a calming energy, taking a bath or a shower, drinking a cup of chamomile tea, or journaling. Again, quality sleep is so important to productivity. You might also want to say yes to anything that will help your morning run more smoothly. This might include laying out your clothing for the next day, preparing your breakfast or lunch in advance, or packing your gym bag. Basically, if you can prepare it in advance, it will make your day run more smoothly and you will feel more productive. I love the idea of saying no to something in order to set yourself up for success the next day. You can build on this by learning a few more of my techniques for increasing productivity by doing less, not more, in my free productivity workshop. I'll add a link to the workshop in the show notes below. I am sending you a great big hug. You've got this. I hope you enjoyed this bit of solicited advice. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to be notified whenever I post new content. Eating anything or drinking coffee, alcohol, or sugary drinks within a few hours